Hello guys, it's Juan here from a Kiwi and a Gaucho, and this time I want to show you what kefir is, what are its benefits, and how can you do it from your home very easily. So let's get into it. Kefir is a probiotic beverage made of kefir grains and yeast. It's a fermented beverage in which the kefir grains consumes the sugar in it and transform it into this probiotic fizzy drink. Kefir means feel good in Turkish, and it's known to be very beneficial for your health, especially your gut. In the many benefits we can find improving your digestion by helping to restore your intestinal flora. It also has many nutrients such as biotin and foliate, which help you boost your immune system, and also known for improving your allergies and healing skin wounds, and many other benefits that you can find on kiwiandagaucho.com/kefir. And don't worry, the link is on the description, so you can go there and see all the benefits from the kefir beverage. So guys, with that being said, I'm gonna show you now how you can do it with kefir water from your home very easily. So let's get into it. For this recipe, you will need 20 grams of water kefir grains, 2 slices of lemons, 2 figs, 10 grams of cane sugar, 1 glass bottle, a fine non-metal mesh for cooking, and water. First, you're gonna take 20 grams of water kefir grains and put it on your glass jar or bottle. For this batch, we use 2 slices of lemon and 2 figs for flavor. You can use other dried fruits, such as dried apricots or raisins. After that, you put 10 grams of cane sugar, which is about 2.5 tablespoons. Then, add water to fill the bottle. Put the lid on and leave it ferment for about 48 hours in a dark place out of direct sunlight. After 48 hours, your kefir should look similar to the picture. Take the bottle and filter its contents in another recipient. You can wash your water kefir grains and get them ready for another batch. The final result is your flavored kefir water ready to drink. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.